Hello everyone, Mario here from Legion Rank with this super quick video. I'm just going to show you how to add admins to your Facebook business page, which is very easy, but a lot of people don't know how to do this, so I figured I'd just make this super quick video to show you. Okay, so obviously this is my Facebook page. So once you are on your page and you want to add someone else as an admin or an editor of your page, all you have to do is go to settings, which is over here. Once you're in settings, you go to page roles. And once you are in this section, all you need to do is come over here. The person that you want to add as an admin or an editor has to be your friend on Facebook. That is the only thing. So once you are friends with this specific person, you can just start typing his name or her name right here. Let's see, something comes out. There you go. So you're going to have all these options. You're going to find the right person, and all you have to do is add him. That's all. Simple as that. Once this person is added, he's going to receive a notification that he'll have to accept. And once he or she does that, he'll become an admin of your page. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a wonderful day.